Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Jucter, where we delve deep into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we're exploring a device that's redefining the flagship smartphone experience, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Let's dive in. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus stands as a testament to Huawei's innovation, especially in the face of global challenges. It's not just a smartphone, it's a statement of resilience and cutting-edge technology. First impressions matter, and the Mate 70 Pro Plus doesn't disappoint. Encased in a titanium frame, it exudes durability and elegance. The rear panel features a unique blend of gold threads and brocade fiber, offering a tactile and visual experience that's both luxurious and distinctive. Feast your eyes on the 6.9-inch OLED display, boasting a resolution of 1316 by 2832 pixels. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, the vibrant colors and sharp details ensure an immersive experience. Under the hood, the Mate 70 Pro Plus is powered by the high-silicon Kirin 9020 chipset, paired with 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination ensures seamless multitasking and lightning-fast performance. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! The Mate 70 Pro Plus features a triple rear camera setup, a 50MP main sensor with a variable aperture of f/1.4 to f/4.0, a 48MP periscope telephoto lens offering 3.5x optical zoom, and a 40MP ultra-wide lens capturing expansive shots. On the front, a 13MP ultra-wide camera accompanied by a TOF 3D sensor ensures stunning selfies and secure facial recognition. Battery and charging. Stay powered throughout the day with a 5,700 mAh battery. Charging is a breeze with 100W wired charging, 80W wireless charging, and reverse charging capabilities, making it a versatile companion for all your devices. Software and ecosystem. Breaking away from Android, the Mate 70 Pro Plus runs on HarmonyOS Next 5, Huawei's proprietary operating system. While it doesn't support Android apps, Huawei is rapidly expanding its app ecosystem, aiming for a seamless user experience. Connectivity and additional features. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C, and Nearlink support. Additionally, the device offers satellite communication capabilities, ensuring you're connected even in remote areas. Pricing and availability. Priced at approximately 8,999 yen, around $1,250, the Mate 70 Pro Plus is currently available in China. Global availability is yet to be announced, but its features make it a device worth waiting for. Conclusion. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is a powerhouse, blending premium design with top-tier performance. It's a bold step forward for Huawei, showcasing what's possible when innovation meets determination. Call to action. If you found this review insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. Share your thoughts on the Mate 70 Pro Plus in the comments below. Until next time, stay tech-savvy. Thank you.